If your ChatGPT looks like this, it may seem like you're utilizing AI, but this is only the surface level of what is actually achievable, because this is just a chatbot, which means you're asking questions and it's answering. Maybe you're taking those answers and copying and pasting them somewhere, but the AI isn't actually doing any work for you. You're not saving any real time. Before we get started, you'll need either the Claude desktop app or the ChatGPT desktop app. And the reason for this is that downloads it into the back end of your computer. So instead of just talking to the ChatGPT or the AI, this gives it access to your computer to be able to do tasks and upload files, save things, upload things. So that's really important. Knowing the difference between a chat and an agent. A chat is just for talking, and an agent can do work for you. I'm going to be connecting everything on the Claude desktop app. So just to give you a quick rundown, Opus 4.8, that is the model that you'll use. So Fable 5, highest model, Opus second, Sonnet third, High-Cal fourth. Effort level is how much effort they go into thinking for each response. Work in a project or folder, so that is the workspace that the AI will save all the information, files, data, connections, all those kind of things in that one place. So when you go into the back end of your computer or into the files, you'll click the project that you choose and to see all the stuff you've done on AI. This is the manual approve, so if you don't want to be clicking accept or enter whenever the AI needs approval, then put on dangerously skip or skip all approvals. So to add all your tools and the things you use every day so that the AI has access to them, you want to go over to this plus button and go to connectors, add connector, browse connector. So this is the huge list of all the things that you can connect to AI. Today we're just going to be going over like connecting our email and our calendar. So find your email provider. I'm going to connect Gmail and then just connect in the top right. Log into your Google and it's pretty much as easy as that. You can also add other things like your calendar, your Google Drive, Notion, like all the connectors that you'll use on a daily basis. Giving AI access just means that it can go into those programs and do work for you. Whether that's drafting emails, creating a calendar event, updating your Notion profile, adding files to your Google Drive, all that kind of stuff. But once it's connected, you can just type in the chat stuff that you want it to do. So for example, summarize my emails from this morning that I haven't got around to seeing yet, draft up responses to any client emails, and it will go ahead and do that for you. What will make this even better, and what I think a lot of people get wrong, is they connect their email, get it to do tasks, and it's still giving AI slop. That's because you still haven't given it any context or examples to reference. So before getting it to draft an email, get it to go through your sent bot and get a feel for how you like to write emails. Even batch different types of emails to how you like to respond, because I'm sure your client-facing emails are a bit different to your internal emails. So batching them and having rules really helps give the AI boundaries and stuff to work from. So that context will be really important throughout all use of AI. It turns general AI into specific AI towards you and your business. So each person in your company can do this so it fits their individual identity or persona. I'm going to go ahead and draft up some code, 5 different variants. I'm targeting electrical companies in the trade industry who primarily do residential work. Make the opener snappy with short but sharp in my Gmail. So trying to be like quite specific about what you want really helps give it structure. Another thing you can do is build skills around repetitive tasks that you do. So for example, if you find that you're asking AI to summarize your emails each morning and batch them, you could create a skill for that and put it on a schedule so each morning it does it automatically. A skill just makes it so it happens the same every single time. So as you can see, it's gone and drafted 5 emails ready for some cold outreach. But as you can see, the possibilities are pretty endless. Once you've connected all your tools, you've got context around your business, you know what automations you need in place and what the repetitive tasks are. It really does start saving a lot of time in your day-to-day to day. The only downside is it does take a while to start setting everything up, building out that context, tweaking and making sure it all fits correctly. Like especially for emails, it will take quite a lot of tweaking to make sure to eventually make it sound exactly like you. But it is possible. This is just the start to some of the other stuff that you can build and connect and implement. But leave in the comments section what kind of videos you want to see, what would be useful information, maybe lessons or things you've been stuck on that I can help with. Thanks for watching.